Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to see blocked accounts on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. Go to the settings. Tap on Accounts. You will see the privacy option on the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now scroll down, look for blocked contacts, and tap on it. And you will see blocked accounts on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to see blocked accounts on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.